Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to turn off OneDrive backup. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. Now, let's get started. First, go to your taskbar. Normally, your OneDrive icon should be here. If you can't find it here, simply tap on this up arrow. Then here it is. Open it. Then tap on the settings icon. Now, tap on settings. To turn off OneDrive backup, make sure these save photos and save screenshot are off. Now tap on manage backup. And as you can see, I have only one folder set up for backup. To turn this off, simply tap here. Now a dialog box will show up asking you whether you want to continue backup or want to stop backup. For now, we are trying to stop the backup, so tap on stop backup. To stop OneDrive backup, make sure all of these buttons are disabled. And guys, that was it. This is how you stop OneDrive backup. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.